Well, let's start with the traditional process, litigation. The fact is that very few divorce cases ever go to court. But when you hire an attorney using the traditional process, your attorney will proceed with your case as if it were going to court. The litigation process involves resolving some or all contested issues by taking them to a court or an arbitrator for a decision. The parties generally have very little say-so in terms of how the dispute is going to be resolved. The judge or arbitrator takes testimony, evidence, and argument, and then bases their decision on what was presented to them. Certain information may be kept out of court or arbitration due to the rules of evidence. It is generally more expensive than resolving the dispute by an out-of-court method. There are 3 alternatives our firm offers to the litigation process that you and your spouse also might want to consider. The collaborative process. You and your spouse commit to resolving your entire case through the collaborative process and not going to court with the attorneys you choose to assist you in the process. Each party has their own collaboratively trained attorney. In addition, the attorneys assist the parties in forming a team that may include neutral persons such as a child specialist, a divorce coach, and a financial specialist. The mediation process. A neutral person, usually an attorney who's been trained in mediation, helps the parties reach a mutually acceptable agreement through meetings with the divorcing couple. In many mediations, the parties choose to also employ attorneys that either participate in mediation or assist outside of the mediation process to review agreements and provide legal advice to the client. Settlement facilitation process. This is much like mediation. However, attorneys for each party are almost always present during the facilitation. The impartial person, called a facilitator, listens to you or your attorneys present a shorter version of your case and assists you in negotiating a settlement of your case. Unlike true mediation, which seeks to really have the parties understand each other's position and come to a point of mutual agreement, a facilitation is generally more driven by the attorneys to try to get compromises and concessions from each party using the advice of the settlement facilitator as to how they've seen similar issues decided in court or other settlements. There really are multiple options for resolving the last chapter of your marriage or your relationship. Decisions about what option's best for you to help you meet your goals really should only be made with the care of an experienced family law attorney. The attorneys at Little, Gilman-Tepper, and Batley have the knowledge, expertise, and resources to assist you with this decision.